It's me. Out. I'm not moaning. I'm being eaten alive. What's the difference? Oh my god. What's the difference? Really? Ah! Why does everything want to kill me? I'm sweating. I'm so sticky. It's been so hot lately. It's been so hot. And I don't know how to not be hot. I'm sticky. Drink a smoothie. I have a banana. It's a big banana. Stinky. I'm not stinky yet. It's just, you know, sticky. The shark is sticky. The shark is sticky. The shark is sticky. The sticky? I'm sticky because I'm sweaty. I'm warm. I'm moist.